Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking you through this brand new Volkswagen vehicle. This sleek Volkswagen Taigo TSI Life has just landed in stock and it does come complemented in the modernised Smokey Grey paintwork. As a brand new model, it does come equipped with your 1-litre petrol engine, making it the ideal spacious runaround for any individual or small families. Packed with plenty of advanced features, including advanced visibility ahead with your LED daytime running headlights. You do also have a stylish contrasting black roof rails alongside your full parking sensors and 16-inch Everett diamond turned alloys. For added protection, you do have your power folding heated door mirrors alongside a spacious boot area to house all your travel needs, along with an extra storage pocket located just below for your spare wheel and tools. Step inside and you will be faced with a full cloth finish for enhanced comfort alongside access to your central power outlets. Moving into your front, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel with access to your digital cockpit and its central touch display, providing full entertainment all round. You do also have your 2 front cloth seats, and once again very comfortable for all travelling passengers. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your multifunctional options on your steering wheel, including various audio controls and access to your digital cockpit screen, displaying all your vital driving data. You can also display your navigation alongside various audio options. For enhanced safety, you do also have your travel assist displayed on there as well. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have a wide section of radio stations to keep you and your travelling passengers fully entertained out on the open road, alongside your Bluetooth connection if you do wish to have that personalised audio experience with access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do also have your vehicle information displayed on there as well, so you can keep an eye on the vehicle itself. You do also have further safety with your IQ Drive alongside your front and rear parking sensors, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse. This is ideal for those tighter spaces, reducing the chance of any minor bumps to the vehicle. Going back to your home screen, if you do flick across, you do also have your user profile selection for that personalised feel, followed just below by your manual climate controls. You do also have your wireless charging pad to eliminate the hassle of any pesky wires, cup holders and small storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video's haul. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.